Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel Mumbaikar Boy. Yes, you have read it in the title as well. It is how I actually got my GoPro Max replaced. Thanks to MSK Mohammed Salim Khan. Thank you so much. So yes, this happened on the first week of October, and I was really tensed and was numb in fact for a few days. But then I came across this good Samaritan. I gave him a call and I said, Salim bhai, this has happened to the GoPro Max and I'm actually depressed, and what should I do right now? The one thing that he said actually motivated me and kept me running through that phase to really understand that yes, it is possible. Think positive, everything will happen right. He had one comment that he gave me and that actually touched my heart as well. He said vlogging is like a coin, it has two sides. One side is definitely where you'll have a lot of problems, but look on the other side, he said, where you are happy, you're doing a lot of stuff, and you're getting to meet new people. So take this as a small challenge, take it up and let's see what happens. So take it positively. So yes, now it was time to actually go ahead and see what all options I have. I kept my the horizon open and said, let's see all the options. So the first thing I did was I went to Kashish Photo Vision Studio. So I went to them and I said, Kashish bhai, this is exactly what has happened to the GoPro Max. He's seen the camera. I'll show it to you right now as well. Yes, this is exactly what happened to the GoPro Max. And we were not sure if these glass pieces would come out and would do justice to the camera. But he said if it does not happen, you'll have to get it back and we'll have to get it serviced locally. Then I went to the GoPro community tab and I was not that lucky enough because it's a little difficult to get in touch with GoPro because they are not based in India first of all. So it was a little difficult, but yes, later on that was the only option left. So it's very difficult to get in touch with them because as they have their call centers I think in Australia and in Los Angeles. So as per their time frame, it is very difficult to get in touch with them, especially the GoPro support. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process that I followed and how we got in touch with GoPro, the community, the GoPro community, the help support, the chat support. Yes, it took approximately good 2.5 hours for me to actually resolve the entire issue. So let me take you through that right now. Yes, it was time consuming, but then that is you are left with no other option actually to give them the time. So at times I had to cook as well. So I was cooking and I also was chatting with them because the 2 hours that I spent was from 9:20 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. so it was that long. I had to also cook dinner for myself, and I will now show you a small video on how the episode unfolded. So yes, I'm trying to actually log on to the GoPro website at the moment. I'm trying to actually connect with them. They have over here the Pacific Daylight Time, American and Los Angeles is 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. so it is what time right now in Los Angeles? Let me check. So it's 8:43 a.m. so I think we should get a chat assist. So I'm actually filling all the information that I have to fill over here, right here. You can see it at a glance. So that's exactly what I have to do, and I have to hit on contact us. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Let's see where this takes me to. So now I've got connected with their agent. You can see him typing right there. So that's the agent typing, and that's my information. So let's see what's going on and how good they help me with. So let's go ahead and see that. So while chatting with him, he's asked me to upload the pictures of the GoPro. So we're doing that right now. Upload, yes. Choose a file. So it's actually uploading. So let's go ahead and choose the file. Where's the GoPro Max ka image? Where is it? Okay, Max crying. Choose here. Perfect. So yes, it was time consuming. I had to actually share some pictures with Rolly, the representative from GoPro, and he actually was really helpful and assisted me in the right manner. Told me, okay, don't worry, let's see what options we have and let's see if it actually gets approved from GoPro. So then initially when I sent him the images only, as it was physically damaged, this was not covered under the warranty, which actually disturbed me for a minute. And then I asked him, can I send him the videos of how exactly this episode unfolded? and he was kind enough and told me, yes, go ahead and do it. Let me see what exactly happened, and let me put a word to GoPro again and see. Now mind you that I was actually using the suction from GoPro as well, which was mounted onto the car. If you have seen the video before, I will leave a link right here on top so that you can see the video of exactly how this unfolded. I was not at huge speeds as well, so now it was difficult, and I'm not sure what exactly to do and how to, you know, react. After, you know, putting that much effort, and after actually Rolly trying to help me, it was finally the time I got a positive reply. So yes, this time GoPro team actually went ahead and approved you know, the damage, and they said, okay, as a one time we're going to go ahead and you know, get it replaced. And that actually took away all the burden and all the stress that was there. And then I thought of one person, that was MSK again, and I said, yes, this guy was the guy who actually motivated me and made me feel positive. And you see, when you have a positive energy, it always works in your favor, and that's exactly what happened to me. And I was so happy that, you know, ultimately the GoPro Max is getting replaced. It was now time to actually go ahead and see. As soon as Rally ended the chat with me, I received an email with 3 attachments. Basically, these are the RMA form, the shipping details, which are actually done by UPS. It is a postal service of United States of America, and these guys were actually you know, going to do everything for me. So GoPro had taken care of everything. So go ahead and check what exactly happened right now. So guys, it's time to actually go ahead and say you know, the last goodbye to my GoPro Max. I had never named her actually, but that was of course I'm going to miss her for a few days. So this is exactly what I'm going to do. Now we have received, I've got the printouts of the forms. That's the RMA form, the shipping information from GoPro that they send me as well, and the commercial invoice. So I had called UPS, and they told me that, you know, you need to have 3 sets of each of these, plus they send me a KYC document that I need to fill and give them a photo, you know, passport size photo as well. So these are the paperwork that is all ready from my side. They have given me a time slot of between 2 to 5 o'clock is where they will come and pick it up. So this is what I have done. I have kept all the paperwork ready. That's 3 sets. Now for the GoPro, yes, they have given me instructions that they don't need anything apart from the GoPro Max. So all these caps have to be removed. The battery comes off, so I have to remove the battery as well. And of course the memory card as well. So the memory card also comes off. They don't need all of these. So it has to just go as the piece like this. So this is how it has to go. You don't need to send the batteries, no accessories. I had put a touchscreen guard over here, so I'm going to remove that as well and keep it, so that in case when the new one comes in, I'll try putting on that or get a new one as well. So again, this is the last feel of the GoPro. I'm just going to go ahead and pack it. I got some you know, foam. This is the AC foam box. I've got actually a roll, plastic roll, that I will actually later on wrap it to and put it in this box. Now I'm not going to pack the box because the UPS agent will come and actually inspect what is also there. So he needs to check if the GoPro Max is there or no. So that's exactly what he will do. And then he will actually ask me to finally pack it. So this is going to just be a small packing that we can do, and let's see how it goes. So I'll put a tape over here. Right there. So that's how the GoPro is actually gone ahead and packed. We're going to wrap it up. Let's put it right. And it's wrapped at the moment. This is the form. This form has to go inside. I forgot. So the RMA form has to go inside. So the RMA form is right in here. So this is just the packing. This is a temporary packing that I've done and I've kept. I'm going to go ahead and wait for the UPS representative to come and see what he has to say. I will also give you the ideology of what exactly has to be done, and how you know, it will help. This video is going to help many more GoPro guys in case they have any warranty issues, how to ship it and how it has to be done. So till then we'll wait for the representative to come. Cheers.
हाँ आ जाओ
देखो बैठो ना आगे बैठो 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 so you can see he's just come right now to take the parcel and that is where the GoPro is going बोला कि डॉक्यूमेंट्स का 3 कॉपी सेट रखना है इसलिए मैंने इसका भी 3 निकाला है पेमेंट रिसीट का
हाँ उसका मुझे तीन कॉपी चाहिए इसका इनवॉइस और इसका मुझे 3 कॉपी चाहिए
हाँ उनका 3 कॉपी चाहिए ना आपको
एटी का आधार का आपका एक बात
चलो एक ये 2 इससे
ये 2 हो गए ओनली कैमरा है ना
हाँ हाँ ओनली कैमरा उसका आरएम रिपोर्ट कुछ है ना कुछ क्या बोलते उसको ये लो ये आपको बहुत पहला वाला मेरा ऑफिस में भेज जाएगा ये सिंगापुर जाने वाला है कभी तक जाएगा ये कल जाएगा क्या
नहीं कल अच्छा है
नहीं कल तो ये गांधी जयंती ना कल बंद रहेगा
सैटरडे होना चाहिए चालू रहेगा तब तो मंडे तो फ्लोर हो जाएगा
So Prashant is here. He's actually finished the KYC and everything. We are now actually going to go ahead and pack the GoPro Max, and he's ready to take it. क्या बॉक्स यही भेजोगे कि नया आप
इसमें जाएगा एक बॉक्स में ही जाएगा
हाँ लेकिन आपके इसमें
इसका पैक में वो पैक हो जाएगा
So you could see it right there. He's taking it right now. So he's just taking it right now, and he said it will not happen tomorrow because tomorrow is 2nd October. It's Gandhi Jayanti. So it will happen most probably by tomorrow is Thursday, Friday. He said most probably by Saturday or Monday. Sure, it will go to Singapore. So let's see and wait and see when the Max comes back. So guys, thank you so much for watching the channel. If you have any comments please leave it down in the comment box and I'll be happy to answer. I know it is a little difficult to actually get in touch with the GoPro community at times. Yes, you would have to try. I've heard a lot of comments of you'll have to try at least 15-20 times. At times they call you back within 5 minutes, at times they don't call you back within 5 minutes. So keep trying, get motivated, stick to the plan and everything will work in your favor. Well, this is Mumbai Car Boy saying thank you so much guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it actually helps the GoPro community. This is a video for you specially, and this is Mumbai Car Boy saying thank you. See you on the next video. Till then, enjoy the Max 360 views and everything back again. Bye bye.